This heartwarming video captures the incredible journey of a baby moose saved from a bear attack. Initially seen being rescued from the middle of a road, the small calf is taken in by humans who nurture it back to health. We see the young moose being bottle-fed and cared for, growing bigger and stronger over time. The clips show the moose developing a remarkable bond with its human family, following them on walks, playing in a field, and even sharing affectionate moments. In a touching conclusion, the now fully grown moose returns for a visit, peering into a window and sharing a gentle nuzzle, showcasing a lasting friendship born from a moment of kindness.